So we know the story of Adam and Eve, and we also know the destruction of the world in the times of Noah. That is the story of Noah. But do you know who taught humans to build weapons? Or what really caused the destruction of the world in the times of Noah? Or do you know the meaning of Nephilim, which is mentioned in Genesis chapter 6 verses 1 to 4? These answers we can find in an apocryphal book that is called the Book of Enoch. In the Bible, there ain't given much about Enoch. In Genesis chapter 5 verse 24, it is said that Enoch was a righteous man. Enoch walked faithfully with God, and then he was no more because he was taken away with God. Even Jude quotes Enoch in his book. According to the Book of Enoch, the descendants of Adam multiplied, and elegant and beautiful daughters were born to them. Seeing them, watchers, a group of 200 angels, desired them. And they said among themselves, "Let us have wives for ourselves and have children with them." They came to earth under the leadership of an angel called Samayaza. And these angels who came to the earth, they introduced humanity with forbidden knowledge. They taught them sorcery, they taught them incantation. And the union of daughters of men with these angels begot or conceived great giants. And the stature of these giants were 450 feet. And these giants were called Nephilims. And these giants used to eat everything that was produced by the man's labor. They consumed so much that it was impossible to feed them and sustain them. Eventually, when they did not have much food left to give the giants turned against the men and started eating them. And they also ate birds, the beasts of the land, fish, reptiles, whatever they get. They started drinking their blood, and they corrupted the natural order. One of the fallen angel, whose name was Azazel, he taught them to build sword, knives, breastplates, and shields. He also introduced the art of making mirrors, jewelries, and ornaments, along with the use of cosmetics, dyes, and precious stones, thereby altering the world's natural state. As a result, impiety increased, fornication multiplied, and humanity was totally corrupted. And other angels also shared various kinds of forbidden knowledge. They instructed men in astrology, they taught them signs and omens, they introduced the study of astronomy, and explained the movement of moon. And they gave mankind the knowledge of writing. And they revealed the existence of spirits, demons, and curses, as well as the methods of abortion by using some poisonous herbs. As the corruption spread, humanity suffered greatly under the weight of violence and destruction. The people cried out, and their voices reached up to heaven. As the result, the archangels in the heaven looked down on the earth and saw the immense bloodshed and destruction. After this, God commanded the archangel Raphael to bind Azazel's hands and feet and cast him into the darkness, because Azazel was responsible for the corruption of mankind, because he was the one who revealed the secrets of the heaven to mankind. And God commanded the archangel Gabriel to destroy the offspring of the watchers, the corrupt offsprings that are the giants and the children of fornication. And God commanded the archangel Michael to announce Samayaza and his followers of their crimes and upcoming punishment over them. Then God declared a great flood, that is the deluge, which will come upon the earth, wiping out the entire corruption spread over humanity. And Noah and his family were instructed to build an ark, and they survived the flood, and they repopulated the earth.